How to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how you can fix some keys not working on your laptop keyboard. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix the issue of your laptop keys not working, just head over to the settings. After that, just open up your settings and you should be able to see your settings box. So you're just gonna scroll until you are able to see this option called update and security. Just double click on it and open your update and security and go to troubleshoot. Just tap troubleshoot, click on your troubleshoot. After that, you can see this additional troubleshooters. Just click on it. After clicking on it, wait for it to load. And when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see keyboard section. Just run the troubleshooter for the keyboard and wait for the troubleshooter to scan all of the problems of your keyboard. After that is done, you will just head over to the settings again. The next thing is just open up your settings, another method as well. After that, go to ease of access. After going to ease of access, you may just scroll down a bit and go to the keyboard section again. And after going to keyboard, you'll be able to see a bunch of options here, but you're gonna go under use your filter key, like use filter keys option. And if you have turned on this option, make sure to turn it off. And if you have turned off, just turn it on and restart your device. And the next method is again go to your settings. After going to your settings, just go to ease of access this time. After going to ease of access, you will just scroll down again, just at the left side, and go to keyboard again. After going to keyboard, you may just use this digital keyboard and use it in order to function, like enter your password and everything. After that, just use this keyboard instead of another keyboard, the physical one. And the next thing is go to device manager, go to keyboards and right click on your keyboard. After that, update the driver of your keyboard and wait for the update to be completed and your problem probably should be fixed. So therefore, just follow that method. Otherwise, you may also download this advanced driver updater. After that, it will scan all of the problems of your drivers, including your keyboard driver, and you should probably be able to fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.